Hello guys, welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video, I'm showing you my GoPro Hero 7 Black audio setup for my new vlogging setup. How to make the audio work from the microphone that you plug in externally, and what I'm going to explain to you guys. Hello guys, and welcome to the actual test for the Hero 7 Black Edition with a Rode microphone being plugged in. Currently, the function that we have selected is 20 decibels plus. So how do you like the sound so far? And just as a test, I'm going to tell you guys the audio that you heard previously was my iPhone regular type of audio, which is an iPhone 8 Plus. So how do you like the GoPro Hero 7 type of sound? Because this is going to be my regular type of vlogging setup. Okay guys, let's test the regular type of microphone without the boost. How to make the audio work from the microphone that you plug in externally, and what I'm going to explain to you guys, it is the differences between the different type of mics that you're going to use. Because if you guys don't know those differences, the sound will not work. Just like I was being a little bit confused a little bit earlier on, thinking, why isn't the sound coming in from this microphone? Like, what is going on? And then I kind of actually figured out. So I'm actually going to go step by step and actually show you guys these type of things. So first you're going to need to do is you're going to need to power up your camera. And of course, you know, it goes to the camera mode and stuff like that. We really don't need this. So what we need to do now is we need to swipe down like that. We're going to need to go to, well, actually, let me use a different type of, I'm going to show you from a different angle. Okay, guys, here we go. The very first thing you're going to need to do is turn your camera on and swipe down. Let's see if we can get this adjusted. Then you go to Preferences. And this, once you actually plug in your microphone, you're going to need to go to, you know, we're at the wrong type of preferences. So once you go to Preferences, we're at this little screen here, and then keep scrolling up. You find Input and Output. Select that. Okay, unfortunately I cannot really get this to be any brighter for you guys. So anyways, audio outputs, and when you actually select this function, you could see that standard mic plus has been selected. And this has not been selected automatically, but what it does say is this. In this function, it supports non-powered microphones and provides 20 decibel boost. What this means is the microphone does not have any batteries. So with this option, then your microphone is going to work. So to select it. So you could also select the standard option. And the standard option is just going to be standard microphone once it's plugged in. I believe doing a standard mic plus right here, this function is going to be ideal. It's going to be a little bit louder, but we're going to do some testings to find out for sure. But if you're going to go to, let's say, like powered mic right here, and you know, this type of option, it's going to be a little bit confusing because when you go to powered mic, it says supports self-powered mics. So this could be a little bit confusing because self-powered mic does not mean that it has batteries necessarily, but in this case it does. That's actually what it means. Supports self-powered mics. I was thinking that this mic is a self-powered mic because once you actually plug this microphone into your GoPro, GoPro powers the microphone. So it seems that the wording would be confusing for a lot of you guys, and if it has been confusing for you guys and it's not working, let me know in the comments below. Like, am I the only one that thought that self-powered microphone is the choice that you need to actually put because it's being powered by the actual GoPro? And then we got the powered mic plus option. So this input would also increase the decibels by you know, 20. And then we have things like line in, which is kind of interesting. It says supports a line level output from other audio equipment, which is kind of interesting. I mean, could this be that it supports maybe like those guitar type of line in devices to where you could somehow have the audio from that go you know, to your GoPro along with your regular type of audio. That remains to be seen. I haven't tried it, but in our case, we're gonna need to support to turn on the standard mic plus option. You know, and I hope this kind of explains. Now guys, what we're gonna do next is we're actually going to test these two functionalities out. We're gonna test 20 decibel, you know, higher type of sound. We're gonna test the regular and back to 20 decibels. And we're gonna try to determine whether, you know, which function is going to be right for you. Now, of course, it's going to depend on a different type of situations. Like if you're in a like really loud type of place, maybe you don't want the extra 20 decibel boost, or maybe you do. Who knows? But anyways, it's gonna be my first time testing out this mic, and I'm ready to do it, guys. Hello guys, and welcome to the actual test for the Hero 7 Black Edition with our Rode microphone being plugged in. Currently the function that we have selected is 20 decibels plus. So how do you like the sound so far? And just as a test, I'm gonna tell you guys the audio that you heard previously was my iPhone regular type of audio, which is an iPhone 8 Plus. So how do you like the GoPro Hero 7 type of sound? Because this is going to be my regular type of vlogging setup. Okay guys, let's test the regular type of microphone without the boost. So anyways guys, we're in a regular type of microphone without the boost. This is of course a Rode microphone that you're listening the sound from. So we're coming to you live from my GoPro Hero 7 Black. So I wonder if this sound is a little bit more pleasant than the one with the 20 decibel plus increase. Of course, we're gonna need to test this in a normal type of environment, which I will do right after we actually test the normal GoPro sound. So check it out guys. Next is normal GoPro sound. Alright guys, this is Hero 7 Black, original type of sound without buying any microphones, without plugging anything in. We're completely unplugged right now. So what do you think about the difference between the Hero 7 Black microphone and the windscreen microphone that we have used with 20 decibel increase and with a regular one? But anyways, the very next thing is going to be, we're going to be heading to a pool, and I'm going to be testing the regular type of GoPro Hero 7 Black sound. Well, we're going to test the regular GoPro Hero 7 sound just like we are right now. And then we're actually going to plug in the microphone, and we're going to see if it picks up a little bit less noise, you know, with the microphone being plugged in. And then we're going to hit the boost at 20% higher and see if we're going to get a little bit more echoing and stuff like that, which we would like to get rid of in the video. So anyways, this test is coming up. Anyways guys, I'm right at the pool area, and this is a standard microphone test. It is coming from the Rode mic, but I wanted to walk specifically by the hot tub. It is making a lot of noise, but this is a standard type of sound. And I'm just gonna try to walk a little bit away from it just to figure out whether it is echoey or it's not, because it is a big room here and things might get a little bit echoey. But I think we get a pretty good sense. Okay, the next test we're gonna do is, it is gonna be 20 decibels higher. All right guys, this is a standard mic plus, which is a Rode microphone, 20 decibels higher. So let's figure out if this sound is just right, you know, for this type of loud environments, or we need to tone it down a little bit. And in that case, the previous test I did would actually give you a pretty good example of that. The very next test I want to do after this test is going to be original GoPro sound without any type of microphones. So let's go ahead and do that, and we'll see. So anyways guys, this is going to be original GoPro Hero 7 Black sound, coming to you straight from a GoPro. And looks like my kids are splashing over here. So you guys be the judge whether you need to upgrade to like a Rode mic or any other mic of your choice. Of course, I would actually recommend getting a Rode Smart you know, mic. You know, the one I actually did an unboxing and showed you guys for my vlogging setup. I'm gonna also link it down in the description below from Amazon. But I think the actual sound on the Hero 7 Black is good enough. But of course, if you're trying to get a perfect plug-in setup and get a nice windscreen mic to where when you go outside, it actually provides a little better sound. So now guys, to finalize, we're gonna actually insert Rode mic, and we're gonna vlog from there and finish it up for a comparison. We're gonna do like a 20 decibel boost. Okay guys, to finalize things, this is going to be the original, not original, excuse me, this is going to be Rode Smart Plus type of microphone. So you guys be the judge. Is it better to have a microphone in these loud environments, especially when you could really hear the hot tub? Or do you like the GoPro better? Because now the GoPro sound was really nicely compared in proper type of environments where it's echoey and things of that nature. So you guys be the judge. If you like my review of the GoPro Hero 7 sound and Rode Mic Plus, please let me know this, guys, by leaving the comments below and hitting a like. It would really help me out. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.